He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're doing a simple cook. We're doing some baby back ribs, but we're going to be doing it on the pit barrel cooker. Now, I have seen several folks hang ribs, but I've never hung ribs before. On the initial cook, we hung a pork butt. That was the first time I had ever done that. So today we're going to be hanging a couple of slabs of baby back ribs, okay? And nothing new or special about it. We're going to fire up the old PBC and we're going to get that boy cracking. Now, the rub that we're going to be using is one that I bought from Killer Hogs, and I tried the Killer Hogs regular rub, and it's fantastic, good stuff. Malcolm Reed and has a fantastic product. So I went back and I bought some of his other stuff, and this one is the Killer Hogs Hot Barbecue Rub, and I definitely want to try this one, see just how much heat this bad boy adds to any kind of spare rib, okay? And then we're going to also use the underlayer, his AP rub, all-purpose rub, which is basically, I believe it's like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and so forth and so on. So we're going to use this as the basis, and then we're going to come back over with the hot rub, and we're going to put them out there. We're also going to try today the Our Butts Are Smoking Ozark Heat Barbecue Rub, okay? I bought this one when we was out in Kansas City back in September, and as you can see, the bottle's almost empty. We've used a lot of it, so it's some good stuff. So we haven't put it on ribs yet. We put it on the pork butt, so we're gonna go ahead and taste this on the ribs and see how this tastes. So hey, sit back, relax, watch us do this short prep work as usual. We're gonna hang these bad boys out in the PVC. We're gonna give them about 2 hours worth of smoke, and then we're gonna wrap them. And we're wrapping in butcher paper today because that's what I transformed to, and getting away from doing foil. I just think butcher paper preserves your bark a lot better than foil does. Kind of that steaming action, just versus that the butcher paper, I believe, lets out some of that moisture and some of that steam, and kind of helps preserve your bark. So hey, don't go nowhere. Here we go. guys, so that's it. We're done with our cook. We hung some ribs on the PBC, and man, talk about smell good. I can definitely smell the smokiness of these ribs, man. I haven't had really smoky ribs in a long time. The wood that we used was navel orange wood that I had purchased from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description block if you're interested in trying some orange wood, okay? But the ribs are really beautiful, man. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look at these. Okay, guys, so as you can see, man, these ribs have a really nice color to them, great bark, which is the difference between using the butcher paper and the foil. The foil normally steams your meat and it kind of ruins the bark. And I think there's some loss in flavor when you lose your bark. So, but as you take a closer look at these, man, fantastic color. They look great, smell fantastic. I am definitely anxious to see how these taste. So let's go ahead and cut into these bad boys and have a taste test. All right, so we can go ahead and flip these over. And I'm gonna cut a bone right from the middle of each one of them. Really nice and tender. Got a real nice smoke ring on these ribs here. Man, that's nice. All right, let's turn the other one over. And we're gonna cut out of this one. All right. Well, that's got a real nice smoke ring to it too. All right. So let's go ahead and have a taste test. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Between all the shifting and moving and switching and wrapping and going on, I kind of forgot which one of these sets of ribs belong to which one of these rubs. So we're going to see if we can tell the difference. One of them was hot and then one of them was just the regular our butts are smoking. So let's see if I can figure out which one is what. Wow, that is delicious. Wow. It's so tender. This rib is so tender, so smoky. Wow. All right. So on this one, I didn't taste a lot of heat. So I'm assuming that this one up here is the one that has the hot rub. This one to me doesn't have any kick, but it has a lot of flavor to it. I think a lot of that flavoring came from the AP rub, and which is very good. And I think that our butts are smoking rub added a fantastic extra layer of flavor. These are great ribs. All right, let's try the other set of ribs. I'm assuming that these are the hot ribs. Okay. Oh wow, now these are fantastic too, but it's not overly hot. It says hot rub. It has a little bit of heat, not a whole lot, but it's noticeable, and it's very mild. It's not overpowering. It doesn't make you sweat or burn you up, but it has a great flavor also. And that AP rub as a basis gave it a good flavor also. I think the next time I use these rubs, or at least the hot rub, I will use it by itself without the AP rub, just to see if I can really get an idea of what the flavor profile is over the AP rub. But this here has a little bit of heat, but not a whole lot. But as far as ribs go and the smokiness of them, ooh, wow, talk about fantastic. Wow. These are some of the best ribs I've had in a long time for the tenderness and the smokiness of them. I love the way the pit barrel cooker cooked these bad boys. Wow. So, well, hey, that's all we got time for tonight. This has been a fantastic cook. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these bad boys up, put them in a couple of Tupperware, send some to my wife's co-workers, let them check it out. And I'm also gonna take a few to work and let some of the guys at work check them out and see what they think too. If you are interested in any of these rubs from Killer Hogs, check out How to Barbecue Right. I'll put the link down in the description block and at the bottom of the screen. And also, if you're interested in our butts are smoking, I bought this from a barbecue store in Kansas City, but I'll go ahead and put the link to where you can possibly get this as well, okay? And I'll put the contact information for a pit barrel cooker if you're interested in purchasing a pit barrel cooker, okay? So hey, once again, thanks for joining us. I appreciate you spending your time with us on today. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Whew. And this is good. So tender. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Damn. Ooh. Hey guys, hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in seeing some more Bad Beast Barbecue videos, hey, check out one of the 2 links up here on the screen. And as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.